Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Hey, yeah, namuntlha of course. Hey, swa kona. Ta hi khe hi vulavula hi DJ Gift loyi nga ta hi khe hi n'wi linka vhele hosi ngo Mr Post. Ya hi vi hi khe hi suka vhele eka that section hi khe hi ya ka Hlawusikiza ivi then makumu of course ta hi khe hi hetela hi section ya Gagashe hi sale ndzhaku ka ti-updates ta yena man. Yeah, as you already know, to home in the projects ta Hlawusikiza and also DJ Gift. So as part of the advices na kona ka channel leswi hi vula loko hi DJ Gift wa n'wi need Mr Post or the project then of course kota va kha ti phusha and stuff like that. Even the fans leswi va kha ti hlaya swona I believe ku nga ku ri the fans ta Mr Post and stuff like that la kha ti n'wi advisa la ko I can't verify it to be exact but I believe so since sweswi tirhisana na Mr Post and stuff like that. DJ Gift xi hlamurile mhaka leyi ni ku se ku konyeleliwa vanhu ku endleka yini manjheni mara kwala DJ Gift man yi ta chaya kahle kwala mi no hlamala mina ka Sunday of course ra ti 2 ta April hi fika hi vona DJ Gift a fika tsala ku music ni endlela ti-fans ta mina case closed. Hi swo sweswo case closed hi swo sweswo leswi DJ Gift a kombisaka swona kwalano ho sungula line yo sungula mveta mi swona ku swi ya kwihi loyi a lavaka artist yo karhi wa ku tiva ka vona. Artist yo karhi very good of the Post obvious ku endleka yini yi ta chaya kahle kwala mara DJ Gift ku endleka yini wona ku se mi tirhisa ti-emotions manjheni wa ku tiva ka vona hambi no va na 5 wa ti-fans ka mina swi na nkoka ngopfu and ni ta ti karhata ku ya mahlweni ti karhatela 5 wa ti-fans xi ta hola xilondza inkomu. Demon xi ri loko ku ri milako or leswi swa ku suggestiwa na hina swi swa ke xi suggesta swona loko ku ri ku lava Mr Post a landzuka le ka ngopfu. And of course I assume the fans like khata vula ku Mr Post wa lavekala i ti-fans ta Mr Post obviously because va swona ku i le ku tikiseliweni DJ Gift na loko khe hi cheka hi tinambara swi le ku tikiseliweni swinene because loko se hi khe hi cheka la top track ya yena ka EP ya yena laniwa it's only 8.9,000 views so loko boyini I mean a nga loko lungheni DJ Gift guys ti number swi swo ku ta kha boha lembe ra vunharhu sweswo hi ku landzelelana a nga loko lungheni so loko i wonile va wone njhani. Oh, of course, I add 2 more tracks. So, 8 tracks manjeni. I add 2 more tracks. As you can see, that bonus. So, we to home no because no ka first demo. So, that home Friday, but I again. I add more tracks as you can see. So, that 2 balance. So, hey, kona I number angle longa. I have shile longo. I look at check. I have shile longo. So, and competition a couple of layo. Mambo hela kwala henhla ka 8.7 ya 12,000 ntsena wani lovola top track ya hlawange phikizana yo na u dyela maswo teka 15 to tala maswo ti na tinambara to tala ngona Fernando so hlawile henhla tinambara maswo na mbili na miehleketo ti le henhla so ai a reads yena DJ Gift ko nga ri ku xaveleleni even then vhele khi hundza eka second section. So no sungula ni hlamala mina ka siku ra ti 1 ta April mi rhanga phanda yi fika yi update about hlawula mara update ra ai update hi Apple Music se mani kha ni swona ku swilo leswiwani no was like Master T ho pfa hi mini hi vona ku ma yo bawa ya kwini in terms of hlavu online ku se why se ku fuku tirha Apple hi leswi ri ku ni hlamarisa ku kasa ka ha ri tirhi ti iTunes na hi leswi swi kha swi ni hlamarisa swo fana sweswo ma a swi kha swi ni hlamarisa swinene. However, mhaka still yi tlhe yi nyanya ku va wrong again because mi rhanga phanda ivi yi tlhe yi fika yi update vhele se yi kha yi update hi ti-iTunes vhele kha yi congratulations hlavusikiza ni ta ku xavela tinghara as you can see kwala but okay hi kombisa hi vona kwalani swona ku hlavu i le ka number 1 but a nga vanga number 1 hlavu because system leyi nga tirhisiwa la ku tirhisiwa ya South Africa ntsena leyi hi vitanaka cheating system ka Master T laha endla swilo leswi va fair and square ku ya hi the reality hlavu i hetele a vika number 2 on screen recording laha ni mi komba hi screen recording nkarhi a ku ri 13:30 kwalano yi kombe nkarhi wo le ku swo 13:30 ka sunguta of course ra ti 2 type kambe swi ta kombetela swo tala system leyi hi tirhisaka ma yi tiva na ka channel hinkwenu a yi tiva system ya straight wihi leyi kotaka ku yi combine because vanhu loko va kha va streama ti-albums hinkwato hambi ri international va yi streama na South Africa, that's what you need to understand, you see. So hlavu yi kota ku va a reach position number 2 on iTunes a ni kha swi landzela swinene. Number 1 ku ve ku kumeka ku va ku ri Kanye West na i le ku streamiweni South Africa. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So hi nge vuli ku hlavu le ka number 1 ku veni na vo Kanye West va kha va streamiwa kwala South Africa. Phela system loko va ku ri le South Africa yi include ti-project hinkwato, as you can see kona ku 2 April ka ha ri 13:31 ku chitiwa ka Master T ngomi switoko swilo leswi kahle hamba ni nga approve nchumu I'm a trusted source loko swi fika la. So hlavu yi kota ku va a reach number 2. However still hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to him, i tirheni swinene of course already loko beni ka DJ Gift again na hi side ra ku hala ka ti-iTunes ku hlula yena na kona. So hey, this is too much because it hlula hala na hala naona mhaka leyiwa. So swi le ku tikeni swinene, so system leyi yi tirhisa ti-projects guys te le South Africa ntsena. That's loko hi ya cheka laha hi nge va voni vanhu vo fana ku Kanye West a va kona system leyi yi fana na leyi kahlekahle ya iCharts leyi kombeta le South Africa ntsena ti-project yi susa letin'wana ku ri ke na leya tin'wana ti le ku streamiweni South Africa. That's loko mo fika mi nghena ka trending ya YouTube na letin'wana loko ku ri project yi va kha yi trenda ri sim kha ri trenda ri international mara kha ri streamiwa South Africa swo boho swi nghena la. So hlavu yi kota ku va a reacha highest position ya number 2 on iTunes hi swilo swa straight leswi swi nga ri swilo swo cheat. But however still very it's a high position number 2 ku very ani DJ Gift a hi size hi ndzi n'wi vona mi kumbe yo nghena swa tlha nghena nyamana ndzi n'wi vona. So hlavu ni tirheni swinene. So as hi update ku sweswiwani so a ri mhaka yeleyo a ni timi leswi DJ Gift ngo hambi ku endlela 5 phela loko ku ri yena endlela 5 wa defense swi kombisa defeat phela leswi a na ha ri ku swi twisiseni. Of course, okay, we can post in contrast to what we've already updated there. Swi tikomba se DJ Gift a give up loko marito lama nga matsala swi fanele ku munhu se a give up. So Mr. Post intervention ya n'wi ya laveka because se munhu i hela mandla manjheni i le ku namuriweni a swi guys a na n'wina swilo ya le ku boheni ku ri le ku boha hayi leswo leswi swo yena ku hi la ku ndla hi yexe swa yena leswi swi le ku namulweni phela music ku ndleriwa mali DJ Gift i xilo lexi fikeke xi twisa music ku ndleriwa mali. Loko Mr. Post a ri kona laha swi kota kha mi phusha ti-streams, so ti-streams a ti le hansi ngopfu hlavu of course hi swona ku lungu na even this ye lungu beni still music ku ndleriwa mali, music ku tsakisa hi ku ndliwa njhe hambi ko track yi ku ndleriwa mali swilo leswo. So I read unfortunately the fans usungo Mr. Post mhaka yaleyo a manti loko swi ta swi komba loko a nga ha ri ku advise because u kombisa ku hambi a ri na ti-5 wa ti-fans he does not care eka ndlela vo va laviya va 5 so sweswi ku accepta defeat obviously sweswi a xi hi nga ta chava ku va hi swi vula ku DJ Gift i accepta defeat ku hayi wa pfumela ku hayi xa n'wi namuna hlavu because tinambara already le ku boheni na 6 days laha swo swi na vo ma 2 days laha as mi swona 2 to 3 days kwalaho, you see. So i half so a reds a mi nga khomenta below ku mi hi vonisa ku yini mara hayi a reds then very key ve raka ka gagashe mina ni khomela hi sele ndhaku hi ta destara na ku thenda swo tala se ngeze kota ku va hi include but hayi still nyimpi ya ti-artist ya mahlweni a hi twini ku kahle leswi swi kombisa a ku timhaka yi tiku yini kwalawa in relation to President Mayengani. Sure
vari Benny Mayengani wa i tirhana so a ni n'wi rhandza i ku ri i hlanganisa business wa ni kombisa swin'wana I don't communicate na Benny Mayengani. I don't communicate. What connects me and him is business, strictly business. I will avoid anything. I don't talk with Marangapana at all. The reason why Benin, I don't check the sales. I don't know, like I'm talking with the sales. And I'm not saying some other artists that they are not bringing sales. Never she may experience on a daily basis. Just maybe I'm talking many of them don't sales. No. Kwa kurti sales letting at some at the top of Marangapana. I want to cool. I said that's why I'm going to the relation. I'm going to opt for Mulu. I'm going to sales tell margin. Tell us going to long. That's why even in business return, my guy, you capitalize a shoot the lot. So business wise is so good to me. And as you should put the first time one my man, I'm looking on that business. I need I need to do business. And I'm not quite a zone and this and this. Men like this, I'm a businessman. So, Magalani Lamjalai people. And this one didn't tambi. Also, looking at pocket and tambi ammunition. Now, I set a business. I'm a businessman. I need to get profit as well. Na shota lango foolish in lava kota achieve up to njame nigets akisi kutekatela mali nekata ntlambi even ngomita mta from China like this Havana even ntlambi ifamba yelia bafonelana kwalana ba blanca bafonelana kwalani babutsa blanca ni bone be jiniya leya we mo botso ishabe ka mali bafonelana ba shampahla imali
Xandela xi ri jini ya muhobotso hi vheta hi switwa ku buwa vo ma tinjinji leti to nyuhela ni tinjinji leti to Blitz Boy na vo Jejo na mambala to huma tinjini lama ya Xandela deve hayi ngo vheta hetela na hi ndlela hi khalanyana ngezi update na yona back view. I have to say I like the back view. The front and side I'm still not yet sure about it, but the back view I blind. Now the big view, I have to be honest, I like how it's structured from the back. I'm not sure like the balcony like really different from the back. It's as if maybe I don't for front, I don't know, but I think it's good. From the back for now, I think it's good. The front, I'm not sure about the front there. Because the front I'm not sure, but the back I approve. The back and I approve. So the front, hey, I'm still not sure about the front, guys. I'm still not that sure, but the front for now I approve. It's a new lock. I think so. I glass. More no, we going to aluminium was already. We no update delay. Oh yeah, I now remember. Yeah, you I remember the images on Facebook. And then I had delete the one like a so the front, I'm still not sure about it. I feel like maybe these windows are too small. Look at the large windows, man. Come on, so this window down the shingala. Maybe I should consider too small because I'm not one year. Mokumulity at the number faster. I could do actually a bit small. I guess so. Even on the side, and try not small longo like Shindenago. Maybe it's not residential house. My Komayan, yeah, I guess you understand what I'm trying to say. So, kuna one can't one anyanda. I'm bit of vent and stuff like that. So, kind of structure and one so different. Like, I'm not sure. Mafastera, Kupula, Bangwa Kuluku, but like Shindako, Ivaka, Mandrisanyan. So hence I'm not that sure about my first drama. I think Ngakurubona a bit of an issue for now. Mas more lamia. So from the back view as Ingashwana la. From the back view ka masho. Mapula fulenjan. Hence Namjaro I like the masho. Kukulunjan space lishingal. Shot Komoko Chelama first drama Kurunga to faster. No one at Winyanala. Mara it's not that significant. It's hidden, as you can see. It's hidden, but I like how faster and stuff like that. So, it's not that bad since it was covering this sliding or maybe do you understand what I'm trying to say? So I think Gagasha Chingerio. I think hi swona, so hi mhaka swifasitera leswiya a hi kha hi swi vona la, but hala kun'wana you can see from the back ne yi ta yi ri the best. Ni swi vona already as Master T, I can see it. Hi leswo loko ku ri amukeza mi subscribe banda kombela mi tika subscribe.
Haya banyana ka. La nung nang la mela mabumela. Yesu wasibona utakulandela. Manong mangakeka mangabula-bula. Mara Yesu wasibona ndlela utakula. Lava sinuleso tura tene mutini wanga.